Wanna know how to download and sign up for LinkedIn app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already onto my Play Store. Now tap on the search for apps and games option. Insert here LinkedIn. Tap on this particular app and tap on install if you haven't installed it yet. I have already installed it, so I'm going to tap on open option. I am onto the very first section of the LinkedIn app itself. Tap on join now on the top right corner. Insert your email address from which you want to create an account and tap on continue below. You can even choose a password. I'm going to choose one which must be of 6 or more characters and make it stronger. Tap on continue below. Insert your very first name and then your last name. Tap on agree and join if you agree to the LinkedIn user agreement, privacy policy and cookie policy. Tap on agree and join. Now I can insert my country and reason. I've already done it. You can do off your own and tap on continue below. Now if you're a student, you can tap on no. Next to it is a sliding icon. Tap on a sliding icon if you're a student to make it yes. Now tap on university or school and choose your particular university. When you're done, tap on degree below. I'm just running my bachelor's, so I'm not yet ready for graduation, so I'm going to tap on bachelor's and choose it as a degree. And I'm doing my specialization on accounting and finance, so I'm going to tap on accounting and finance. And my starting year was 2016. You can also choose your starting year and tap on set and choose your end year and tap on set next to cancel again. If you're over 16, you can tap on yes. Since I'm over 16, I'm going to tap on the sliding icon next to yes and turn it into yes. Now tap on next on the bottom. You can even add a photo. I'm going to add a photo for myself and choose a photo from a gallery. You can take a photo as well at the moment or choose a photo from the gallery itself. So I am going to choose one from my recent picture and keep it. I have an option of cropping, filtering or adjusting it. And then tap on the save option on the top right corner. You can see that I have just maintained my profile picture and my profile is looking so far very good. So I'm going to tap on continue on the bottom. And I need to verify that this is my email. So I'm going to tap on go to my email so that I can get a link in my email to confirm it. Tap and go to my email. I am onto my own email address and on the top I do have a notification from LinkedIn to confirm my email address. I'm going to tap on it and search for the particular confirm your email address option. Tap on this confirm your email address. I do have two of the option to choose LinkedIn or Chrome. I am going to choose the LinkedIn app itself and you can see that my email has been successfully confirmed. And if I'm looking for a job right now, I can tap on yes and tap on add title. If I want to search for the job title, I want to work as an accountant, account manager, analyst, and even administrator. When I'm done, I can tap on done option on the top right. You can choose off your own and tap on add location below and add the location that you will be able to work on. I'm going to add Asia and South Asia. Tap on done option on the top right corner. And if you're open to remote work, you can tap on I am open to remote work section and turn the blank section into green one. Tap on next on the bottom and you'll get notified when new jobs are posted related to analyst and administrator around Asia. Tap on next on the bottom. And you can even let recruiters know you are open to new job. Tap on done option below. So they are finding jobs for me and I'm all set, and this is my home page of my own LinkedIn account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. Now go and find more jobs and create more and more networks and be more professional through LinkedIn account itself. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.